This is type A for Sun City 102. If we come here, we have a kitchen. So this is a 3-level kitchen. Starting from here, we have 2 baskets available. That's one is detergent, one is dustbin. We have a thali basket in here. We have a multi-purpose. This is a hob zone. So you have a cutlery, that's a perforated one. You have a multi-purpose basket for to keep the utensils, the big utensils. You have a multi-purpose mower. This zone is for cylinder. This is for the partition basket. You can put your small utensils like small plates and cup and saucers. And this is for the grain curve. What we have done is, the builder has provided the kitchen till here. We have extended it to this part, and this is a microwave zone. You can put your microwave in here, and this is the open sections. Up here we have used hydraulics. You can have an ample amount of space in the kitchen. So let's come here. We have a TV panel. This can accommodate a 56-inch LCD. We have some vanity zones. This is being designed by a designer. This is a vanity. You can have a vanity to put your stuff. And we have a small storage available in here as well. See, this is a small dining zone. This is a foldable one. What you can do is you can lift this and you can use it as a dining zone. Just put 2 chairs and use it as a dining area. We have used the wallpapers, some handmade paintings. These are some antique finished lamps. These come inside. This is a ceiling storage. You can open the ceiling storage from here. So this space which was available vacant, this has been used properly as a wardrobe. In this room we have a folding bed, that's called Murphy bed. In the night time you can get this bed down. These belts are available which will keep your mattress on place. In daytime you can just lift the back up. This is in storage. Put the mattress, use it in the daytime as a sofa. This is a sliding wardrobe. This size is 6 by 9. We have some shelves to put your artifacts. If I make you see the wardrobe from inside, we have an ample amount of storage. This is 2 feet in depth. We have the drawers available. This architecture you can design by your own. Like if you want some more shelves, you can get it designed. Above this, we have ample amount of storage to put your stuff. This is a bedroom. We have a queen size bed which is internal laminated. We have used the wallpapers, the painting, and this is a L-shaped wardrobe. In the space of 4 feet, we have utilized it as a 6 feet. So this has an ample amount of storage available in here. In washrooms, I'm sorry for the lighting, there's not proper lights available. What we have done is we have made a vanity. We have used some fittings like the corners, the fittings.